Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about trading routines, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
Every morning in the platform, I give you an analysis telling you exactly what we should be doing. But I don't want to tell you. What I want you to do is watch what I'm doing and then recreate it for yourself so you can do it on your own. But that's what's happening every morning. The process really is to figure out how wide we want to be and how much we're going to expose ourselves to the market and when we're going to put the trade on and what direction we're going in. Those three things. Every morning, we make that determination. Wide, what direction, and when we're going to do it.
I can see that on my head, but on the platform, I can't see it though.
All right,
If that makes sense.
Let me show you. Let's look at this morning, for instance, right here. Let me just say it first. Every morning, you're going to see a video that I produced. I put it out every morning at 7:45 a.m. Eastern time. It's a little early for you because you're out west. You can get up later and look at it. And then right after I put out the video, I then post everything I talked about in the video here. That tells us how wide we should be going, what direction we should be going, and where we should be taking the trade. It's the first time you're seeing this, so it's going to be just a bunch of information to you.
Exactly.
So don't worry about that part, right? After you see it dozens, hundreds, a few hundred times, you're going to be so familiar with it, it's just going to be ingrained in you.
Okay.
So just have patience. The first step is really just learning what the strategy is and why we do the things that we do and developing your routine. Your routine is everything. When you're approaching the day to do some trading, you want to have a morning routine that is going to set you up for the day and what your trade's going to be. And then you have your trade routine where you get into the trade and manage it. And then you get out of the trade and you log and journal. So those are your major routines that you're doing every day. So you need to just figure out what are all the different steps that I have to do in there and then just practice them over and over again. That will lead you to success. And asking questions, and then when you don't get something, ask questions. And then through that repetition of those very fundamental things, analysis, trade, log, and journal, analysis, trade, log, and journal, analysis, trade, log, and journal, analysis, trade, log, and journal. Then at the end of the week, review everything you did, review everything you did, review everything you did, analysis, trade, log, and journal, review over and over. And then over time, you start developing this cadence and understanding and improvement cycle. Does that make sense, Edmund?
I can follow that.
It's the path.
Yeah.
It's not, okay, just give me the short and skinny. Just give me the steps and I'll just go and figure it out. That's great, but nobody does that. Nobody can really do that. You need to follow exactly the path that I'm saying. Develop your routine, identify all the things that you do in your routine, and then practice them every day. And then review them on a weekly basis. We call that the retrospective. And then the next week, you do it all over again. And then at the end of the week, you do your retrospective. It's a continuous improvement loop. And at first, you don't want to invest a lot of money, if anything, because you want to get that routine down. Getting the routine down is more important than anything. Understanding all the different things you do in your routine and how to improve upon them every day, that's more important than anything. That's what you spend virtually all your time on.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.